guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a Estée Lauder gift set from Macy's for this in case you guys are looking for the Macy's gift set, then definitely this review will help you. So let's open it and see how it looks. So I think you can qualify for, like, when you buy like more than $39, you can qualify for this gift set. So let's open it and see. So this is this pouch, like the leopard print, and it like a little bit of like really nice feeling, like a suede kind of touch. So these are the thing I got. So I got like one of this one. I think this is some gemstone, and this is the pouch. Gifted because of this lip portion, because I wanted to try this one, and that's why this is the lip repair portion. I have never used this one, that's why I ordered this one. So it's kind of like a lip balm, yeah, but doesn't smell anything, this one. And I got one lipstick which is pink Parfait 221 pink Parfait, this one. Let me show you. So this is the lipstick color, like a really nice pink color. So this is the color, like a really nice pink, yeah, really pretty, like this color. And yeah, this is like a full-size lipstick, yeah. So I got one lip potion and one got lipstick, and this is the Advanced Night Repair. This one is like a really great product. I have used a couple of times and this is great. And this one small mascara, and this is the makeup remover lotion, and one Estée Lauder Anti-Aging cream. So this one is like a cream. So these are the things I got, and one pouch. So it's pretty much like a value for money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.